Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today we will discuss about your midterm exam. Okay, how I mark your answer, and please, if you see there are mistakes on my marking, so please tell me. Okay, so we have two questions. Okay, the first question is actually 30 marks, not 20 marks. Okay, that's my mistake. And the second question is 20 marks. And I actually created 4 different sets of question. Okay, question number 1 same, but for question number 2, okay, I changed the value a little bit. Okay, so there will be 4 sets of question. So at the end of this video, I will show you all the answer for all the sets. Okay, and in this video here, I will only show you the solution for set number 1. Okay, if you are answering another set of questions, so please check the final answer at the end of this video. Okay, so let's look at question number 1. Okay, a split unit air conditioning system is commonly used to provide cool air to single zone interior spaces at an affordable price. Okay, that's correct. Okay, number 1. A. Draw the split unit air conditioning system indoor and outdoor and label the 4 important parts. Show the movement of air, heat and refrigerant. Okay, for this question, the mark is actually 15 marks. Okay, A here is 15 marks. Okay, how I put the marks here? Okay, number 1, I want you to label indoor and also outdoor. So this will be 1 mark here and then another 1 mark here. Okay, 1 mark, 1 mark. Okay, 2 marks already. And then the 4 important part for aircon is expansion valve, evaporator, condenser, compressor. Okay, so these 4 also 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark and also 1 mark. Okay, and then I need, in the question also, they ask you to show the movement of air, heat and refrigerant. Okay, for the movement of air first. For the movement of air, okay, so in indoor here, so there will be air coming through this evaporator and the cold air will be exiting the evaporator like this. Okay, air in and also air out here. Okay, so this one is 1 mark, air in 1 mark. Okay, and then cold air here is also another 1 mark. Okay, and then here also, okay, the heat QL here will be absorbed by this evaporator also. So QL, okay, the movement of heat so this one also another 1 mark. Okay, so to show the movement, I need you to draw this arrow here. So arrow also 1 mark, 1 mark. Okay, and then for the condenser here, okay, a heat will be transferred to the environment or to be released to the environment. So we have QH and also hot air. Okay, so hot air, another 1 mark, QH also 1 mark. And then the movement, this one here, will also be another 1 mark. Okay, so if you calculate, the total here right now is 14 marks. Okay, the last one is what? The movement of refrigerant. So refrigerant, this one okay, the arrow here. Okay, so if this arrow here is correct, so I will give you another 1 mark. Okay, sometimes there are students who didn't draw this one, the arrow here, so I cannot know which direction is this one, the refrigerant flow direction. I don't know. Okay, so this one is 1 mark. So the total will be 15 marks. Okay. So B, explain the function of each part. Okay, for this question, actually the total mark is 2 marks. Okay, this one small, 2 marks. So what is this 2 marks? Okay, each of this one, condenser, compressor, expansion valve and evaporator, is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. So most of you got this one correct. Okay, so very nice. Okay, so this one here will be 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. So the total is 2 marks. Okay. So next, C, explain the process using TS and also pH diagram. Okay, this one here, most of you got this two correct also. Okay, TS, this one here I give 2 marks. pH diagram also another 2 marks. So the process here, okay, this one here is another 2 marks. So means that the total for this one is 6 marks. Okay, most of you got this one correct. Okay, very nice, huh? Okay. This one is 6 marks. Okay. And then the last one, D. A modification is needed to make the system provides hot air to the interior space. Describe the modification and draw the modified system. Okay, this one here is 7 marks. Okay, 7 marks. So if you total everything, should be 30 marks. Huh? Okay. So what is this 7 marks here? Okay. 7 marks here come from this one. Okay. So this is actually, you need to change it to a heat pump. Okay, heating mode. Okay, heat pump, heating mode. So what you need to have is reversing valve here. Okay, the important key point here is this reversing valve. Okay, so you need to modify or you need to install a reversing valve. Okay, to make the air conditioning system provide heat to the interior. So this one here is 1 mark. Okay, and if you draw this one, indoor coil, so this is another 1 mark. Outdoor coil, another 1 mark. And then the flow, okay, the flow direction here will be another 1 mark. The flow, the flow here is another 1 mark. So this diagram consists of 4 marks. Okay, this diagram here 4 marks. And then the explanation. Okay, the explanation, what I need you to explain. The first one is reversing valve is needed to change the flow direction. Yes. Okay, this is 1 mark. And then outdoor coil will become evaporator. Indoor coil will become condenser. That's the key point. So if you have these two here, so each of these contains 1 mark. 1, 1, 1, 1. So the total is 3 marks. Okay, 3 plus 4 marks for the diagram. So 7 marks. So if you mention something like similar to this explanation, I also give you marks for that. Okay. So that is for question number 1. Okay, which all of you got the same question. Okay, question number 1, all of you got the same question. And some of you managed to draw quite a good diagram for this one. Okay, so nice, huh? Okay. So let's move on to question number 2. Okay, this is where you have a different set of question. Okay, so this is set number 1. Set A lah. Let's label set 1. Set A. Okay, a room in College Kediaman 5 has dry bulb temperature 26 and wet bulb temperature 18 degrees Celsius respectively. Okay, I just changed the number here. 26, 18, 26, 19. Okay, somewhere like that. Okay. So, partial find, okay, without using the psychrometric chart, determine the partial pressure of water vapor, humidity ratio, relative humidity, dew point temperature, and humid heat. Okay, all of this you can refer back to your lecture notes, okay, to find the suitable equation to use. Okay. So, in the condition of dry bulb 26, wet bulb 18 degrees Celsius. Okay, and even though I didn't mention about the total pressure, okay, the total pressure, if I didn't mention, okay, I told you already, you must use 101.325 kilopascal. Okay, so question number 1, to find the PW, you can use this equation. Okay, this equation here. So for this equation here, you need to have PWB. Okay. So to find the PWB is the saturation pressure at wet bulb. Sorry, this one is supposed to be wet bulb. Wet bulb not 26. This is, sorry, my mistake. So wet bulb here is 18. Okay, 18. Okay. So 18 here, so you use linear interpolation, then you can get this one, PWB. Then you insert to this equation here, then you can find PW. Okay? So question number 2, to find the humidity ratio. Okay, W here. So W here, you use this equation. And you need to use PW, okay, the value that we calculated in question number 1 here. Then you can get 0.009637 kilogram per kilogram, okay, kilogram of water vapor over kilogram of dry air. So this is W. And then for number 3, you need to find this one, relative humidity. Okay, relative humidity, we use this equation, PW over PWS. PW, we got the answer already in question number 1. Okay, so we need to find PWS. To find PWS is the saturation pressure at dry bulb temperature, TA, 26 degrees Celsius. So you must use linear interpolation to calculate. So PWS here is 3.38522. I forgot to mention about the marking. Sorry. So the marking here, when you use for question number 1, this one here, so this one here is 3 marks. And then the calculation of PW is also 3 marks. Okay. Humidity ratio, this one also is 3 marks. Okay. And then for question number 3, so to find PWS, you use linear interpolation. So this one also 3 marks. And then RH, relative humidity, is also 3 marks. Most of you got this one correct. Very nice. Okay. And then for question number 4, we need to find the dew point temperature. Okay. Dew point temperature is the saturation temperature at PW. Okay. PW here. So PW we got from question number 1. So we need to use linear interpolation to calculate TDP. So this one also 3 marks. Okay. And then the last one, humid heat. Okay, humid heat here, so this is the equation. Okay, humid heat. So you just insert the value of humidity ratio, this one. And then you got the value is 1.023118 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. This one here is 2 marks only. Okay, this one 2 marks only. Okay, very straightforward. Okay. So this is the mistake that that most of you did. This one. Okay, for this part here, this one here is compulsory to use kilogram per kilogram. Okay, I can see that most of you use gram per kilogram. Gram per kilogram, which is not correct. So you must use kilogram per kilogram. Okay. So that's it for my marking. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me through WhatsApp, or maybe you can through this video also, means the YouTube lah. Okay, put a comment in this YouTube, and also you can text me. Okay, you can reply my email also. Okay, no problem. Okay, so please check the answer for the other set of question. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you very much. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.